Hey y'all, I'm going to show y'all how I came from this to this, and just keep on watching. First off, I'll be applying my NYX eyeshadow base all over my lids. I'll be diving into Kylie Jenner's Burgundy palette, and with this light brown reddish shade named Tokyo, I'll be softly applying that in back and forth motions for my transition shade. Now I'm taking this shimmery light purple named Penny and start off applying that underneath my transition shade and then softly blending them both together. Next is this shimmery light pinkish purple color called Brick. I'll be packing that all over my lids and then blending everything out. Just going to be a little extra on this part. You certainly don't have to, but I'm just going to add a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to take this glittery white shade out of my Ciat'e palette and only applying that in the inner corners and taking it towards the center of my lids. Alright y'all, this is really the first time I've ever applied Rhinestone, so all I did was take the tweezer applicator that the set came with, and I'll put the link down below where I got mine from, and just dipped it into a little bit of lash glue, and carefully with a steady hand I applied it where I desired. Now you can most definitely mark the places on your lids where you want your jewels to be if that makes it easier for you. But I already had a sense of where I wanted them to be, so yeah. If a little glue smudges out of the sides as you're pressing it down, that's totally fine, y'all. All I did, I took the tip of the tweezer and cleaned off any excess glue, and it just came right off. The PoreFessional primer will be applied all over my clean face, and then I'm going to follow up with MAC's Studio Sculpt and NW43. This is Soul Body Balm in the shade Deep. I just like to apply a nice little even amount over top of my foundation for a nice filter effect. I'm using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Tan Neutral, and I'm just going to be applying that on my chin, under my nose, under my eyes, on the side of my nose, and then in the middle of my 5 head. And then I'm going to be taking a damp beauty blender and just going to be blending all that out. And the Dose of Colors concealer, this is in the shade called Deep. I'm going to be applying a little bit on the sides of my face, cheekbones, and around that 5 head there. Also applying some on the inner sides of my nose, And then with that damp beauty blender, I'm going to be blending all that out. Taking my e.l.f. concealer and going to make a line down the middle of my nose, and then also going to be blending that out as well. Beauty Bakeries setting powder. I'm just going to be applying that where I have applied my concealers. And that is Fenty Beauty's bronzer powder in Mocha Miami, and that's going to be applied where I had applied my darker concealers. I just let that sit for a minute, and then with my beauty blender I'm going to blend all that out. The Malani Blush in the shade of Red Vino will be applied on the apples of my cheeks. Now going back in Kylie's palette with this dark purple shade named Morocco will be applied on my lower lash lines. And this is Laura Geller's highlight. I'll be applying that on the tip of my nose and on the sides of my face, right above where I applied my blush. And some mascara for the bottom lashes. That's SHEGLAM's So 90s lip liner. And filling it in with Java's Kiss Lip Gloss by SHEGLAM as well. And topping everything off, Beauty Bakery setting spray. And bam! Alright y'all, there's the final look. Ooh, I did that, yes! Ain't left no crumb! Now, I sure hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.